working correctly. And look at that, it's one of the old tan ones. He's had all kinds of problems. Yep, these are the ones I first started out on. Oh yes, this one's the biggest pain in the hind end of them all. Let's see what went on. It says overcrank. This is kind of the brain dead version of all of them. This thing has very little to no fancy electronics on it at all. It's plain Jane to the hilt. No choke, no electronic governor. So if your little springs get out of whack, she goes balls to the wall and crams 70 hertz into your wall socket. Let's see what happens here. So we got a solid overcrank. If you guys need to get rid of stickers that somebody puts on, you don't like them, just use your hand torch to kind of warm the area up. It'll peel right off just like a heat gun. Comes right off. Let's go back to manual. Oil level is the first thing I checked. I want to make sure that was okay before I just kicked it on. More times than not. Oh, I can tell you right now what's wrong. Yep. Battery exploded. That was another humongous problem that Generac had. They had a very, very aggressive battery charger, and it would overcharge the batteries and eventually bake out the water, and then they explode. This is not the first time I've seen this. This is why I tell everyone, change your battery every 4 years. That seems a little extreme, but you bought a generator to have it there when you need it to work. Even though it's metric, your 5/16 nut runner will fit it. As you noticed, we've got a real nice split there. And kind of surprising is, yeah. And see what I've had happen in the past when this blows up like this, if it's running, it'll suck that acid right into the engine and then blow it all over the windings, and then it shorts the windings out and then you lose the stator. That's like worst case scenario. But according to this, looks like this was changed possibly in 18. I mean, Exide's a good battery. I mean, that's what they recommend. The 8 is taken out, so I'm going to say actually 2008. So this battery should have been changed probably a long time ago. Let's go ahead and make sure this battery charger is still working. Let's isolate this away from the battery here and see where we're at. Battery terminals here, you can see that those, they're probably okay. It looks a little corroded right there. We have 14.1, which is more than abundant, which is a lot of the reason why this thing toasts the batteries. Battery charger's right inside here. When those go bad, they're outrageously expensive. I don't even recommend using the same one again. You're better off with a true trickle charger.